First of all, very well done to RCB. It's been more than 17 years now. They waited for this trophy, and Virat Kohli, he deserved to get a trophy under his name, and of course, must have been a great feeling. We've seen him winning the World Cup. He won the World Cup with us in 2011. Recently, we have seen him winning T20 World Cup and Champions Trophy. But this was a very important one for him, and it means really, big for him. And I've never seen him crying. And today I saw him crying, तो मेरा भी थोड़ा सा दिल वहाँ ना ऐसा हो गया उसको देख के। तो ये है कि उसकी जो मुराद है, जो उसने इतने सालों से मेहनत करी है विराट ने, वो सक्षम हुई और भगवान ने उनकी प्रेयर सुनी। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ विराट के लिए, आरसीबी के लिए कि वो कप जीत पाए, और स्पेशली विराट, क्योंकि बहुत साल हो गए थे उसको इंतजार करते हुए, और मुझे उसको रोते हुए देखा तो मेरा भी मन ऐसा हो गया, हो गया था। But well done. They played really well. They played like a champion. Whereas Punjab, I think, they played throughout the tournament so well. But today, it was a big game where they made few mistakes and they came second. But nevertheless, both team, they were deserving to be there in the final. And I wish कि आगे भी ऐसे ही कारनामे देखने मिलेंगे इन दोनों टीमों से।
So now that Kohli has won this elusive title after 18 long years, how do you see his future with the side now? Because he retired right after the T20 World Cup as well from the T20 International. So
well, I don't want to say that he'll retire. I don't think he'll retire, and he shouldn't retire. I was so surprised when he retired from Test cricket, and मेरा मन तभी भी दुखा था कि अभी तो बहुत साल बचे हैं उनमें क्रिकेट के। मैं भी चाहता हूँ he should play as long as he can play. He's fitter than anyone, and he's one of those role models for the young generation who's been following him for many years and inspiring generation. तो मुझे लगता है ये एक कप तो जीतना शुरुआत है, many more to come, and I hope he'll continue to play for many more years, and many more years he'll continue to inspire the generation next.
Sir, final few ones, sir. Right after this, the attention will shift towards the lengthy 5-match Test series in England. So how do you see Indian team faring without their three main pillars?
This is an opportunity for the young team under Shubman Gill, in England. I know it's going to be a challenging test for them, but knowing Shubman Gill and all these young guys, we have seen them playing, in domestic cricket and also in the IPL. I think they have it in them. They just need to go there and play fearless. We know that they have a lot of potential in them. So knowing Shubman Gill, he'll be able to bring them at their best. And I wish the team all the very best. And I hope they win in England, because this is the new beginning without Virat, without Rohit, without some big names. But this is the way now we'll see the future going forward, and I wish them all the luck, and I hope they bring glory to them.
So, sir, as a former spinner yourself, without the services of Ravichandran Ashwin, a veteran spinner himself, how do you see India's spinner matchup?
Well, I think the new spinners, will get the opportunities. Washington Sundar is there, Kuldeep Yadav is there, as we know that Ravindra Jadeja, he's still there, and I hope spinner will come to the party, but it is more of your seamers. They're going to do the damage there in England. But as I said, as a spinner, I just want to say to all the spinners who are touring to UK, just hold your heart out. Try to spin the ball as much as you can, and then get lots of wickets. That's all I can say.
Sir, and do you see Bumrah playing all 5 Test matches in England?
Well, I hope he plays all 5 Test matches, and our bowling looked really strong with Bumrah, Siraj, and our fast bowlers. Other fast bowlers. I'm not getting the names now because I've been here since 2:00 and I've been talking about IPL, and now suddenly you put me. Prasiddh Krishnan is also there, so it's good to see the fast bowling is really good. And I think, if we put runs on the board, our fast battery will come into the party, and they can do the damage there.
Thank you very much for your time, sir.
Yes, thank you.